Like I said before, this season is going to be one of those nice seasons. Actually, we've missed a season like this where anyone can just get a league. Anyone can just win it. Anyone can just be number one. Anyone can just be number one and still go down to maybe number three, number four, number five. Because these teams are actually cool. Looking at teams like Sutherland just up there doing their thing. Teams like Bonemart are still up there doing their thing. You have Chelsea that is up there doing their thing. And I mean, then you find things that you actually not expect when it comes to Manchester City. Because how did Manchester City lose to Newcastle? I mean, actually, losing to Newcastle with a 2-1 score is not actually a justification of what happened in the game. Because if you haven't watched the game, you would think this was a close game. I'm telling you, Newcastle created lots of chances that even if they score those 2-1s that were just for Valtamero, if Valtamero scored those one, the score was going to be 4-1. Even though maybe 4-2 because Haaland also was supposed to score that goal that hit Nick Pope. Even Nick Pope because he was just standing there. He didn't know what to do. And then luckily the ball came straight to him. Credit to him though for just being in the right spot at the right time. But then I'm looking at all of these things that are happening in Manchester City. I'm like, every time you look at that team and you're thinking now they turn the corner where they go back to being Manchester City, you realize that this is actually the new Manchester City. This is the team that is going to beat teams that are going to make mistakes when they play against them, and they're going to lose games where they're playing with the teams that actually knows their weaknesses as well. Because what happened yesterday, Newcastle was able to find those gaps in the defense, like just behind the defense, just finding those gaps, making those run. And I think it was a big, big problem for them. And I think more of a confident where Donnarumma just played the ball in the middle and then they intercepted the ball and then they were supposed to score it, but they didn't score. But I will tell you, Newcastle created a lot of chances. I'm not even like maybe a small chances, like a clear cut chances where they're supposed to score. So I feel like City wasn't really at the best. City was supposed to do something, even though they had all their players. Haaland was there. I think this new City is a City that can lose some games and win some games, because this is not the way that they actually planning to play and then win the league. Obviously, they up there at the top. They're going to challenge, even though they're number three because they lost their game. So they 1 point behind Chelsea. They are number two, and then they are 4 points behind Arsenal, which they are still playing. They're playing Tottenham. If they win that game, it's going to be 7 points for them, and then it's going to be 6 points for Chelsea as well. So it's going to be actually a nice race to watch this season, because a lot of teams they can still come back. Even though Liverpool went down and they started the league like a house on fire, but I think this is going to be the league that will make everyone excited. Even if you are just watching games as a neutral, you're just going to love this league, because actually this season is just amazing. And I will tell you this: City is just now another team that is beatable, and they can also beat you crazy if you just give them a chance to do so. So if you're playing against City this season, just know this is a beatable team now. You can just go there and make sure that you stick to your game. Just don't give them a chance. But I can tell you one thing. I think this guy from France is going to make sure that he's creating a lot of problems for the team. And I think it's one of those things where you're looking at a team, you're looking at the way they play. Even Pep sometimes look like he doesn't know what to fix if the team plays like that. But then, I mean, the way they were opened yesterday when they were playing against Newcastle, I don't think it's going to be the way they play going forward, because if they're playing against some of the team that are punishers, that will be like a really, really good problem for them. So I think City is going to come back, make sure that they fix some of the mistake and win their second game. Even though this weekend, midweek, we are all going to the Champions League, so they mustn't go to Champions League with that mentality, because it's going to be a problem for them. But if you have anything to add in that Man City game, just make sure that you comment below, you like this video, you share, and you subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.